Good morning and happy Monday, class. I'm coming to help you with today's work. So I've been getting a lot of emails that Read 180 is not necessarily working for you. So there's 3 different ways you can access Read 180. So first, let's look at today's work. Today is complete 20 minutes of Read 180 student application. Okay. How can you access your student application? Well, there's 3 ways, okay? You can go into your New World Prep bookmarks, and it is here. Okay, then you're gonna put your username and password. A lot of students are saying that that's not necessarily working. So what you do is you're gonna go back into your Google Classroom, and if you click on the e-learning document for the day, you can access this way. And you're going to click on that and put your username and password. Also, if you go back into the Google Classroom, I also posted it, the URL, and you can access it that way. Okay, so then you're going to put in your username and password. I'm going to log in with a student right now to show you guys. And if for some reason those 3 ways are not working for you, please shoot me an email or a GChat, and I will be more than happy to try to get that working for you as soon as possible. All right, so now you're going to open the real book. That is your textbook, but on the computer, just like I know you guys do for Journeys. And then go down. I'm going to go back to our today's work, right? It's April 6th, workshop 2.9. And we know that today, I'm going to go to our class. So our learning target is I can identify important events in a text and cite evidence. You're going to read pages 94, 95, and answer the questions below. So these are our vocabulary questions. Make sure to answer those as well. You have the definitions here: adequate, enough for a specific need; widespread, happening over a large area or to many people; what is an adequate amount of sleep for you to get each night and why; what is one example of a widespread concern in your school. Okay, so you're going to answer these questions. Then you're going to read 94 and 95 in your real book and answer the following question: what is one common effect of droughts described in this section of the text? So we already went over the 4 main causes of droughts in the beginning of this unit, but from these 2 pages we read today, what is the common effect of droughts? So then we're going to go back to our real book, which is here, and you can go to page 95. Is there a way to get it quicker? I think one student was like, how do I get to the pages quicker? So right now I don't have an answer to that. But I will look into that to see if we can like just search for the page or jump to the page. Yeah. How about if I go to support? Oh, so if you go to support, the contents. Oh, here it is. Here's how to get to it quicker. Click on that. and you're going to read these pages. You can have both pages and zoom in. Okay, so first you're going to read about Brazil. The effects of a 2014 drought in Brazil were felt around the globe. Brazil produces about 35% of the world's coffee. The drought caused coffee crops to wither and die. Without crops, threatened by lack of water, the price of coffee rose by as much as 70%. Okay, and then the caption of the picture says, Brazil is the world's largest coffee producer. Drought hurt the country's coffee crops and its economy. Here, bags of coffee beans are ready for roasting. Okay, so what that tells me is that I know that drought means no water, but with less crops, right, with less water is less crops, and now the price of food is more expensive. So then you're going to read Spain and the other page and see what all of them have in common. And here's Liam saying hi. Say hi, class.
Hi.
Okay? If you guys have any questions, please send me an email. Have a great day.